Hello guys, we're here at Shop at Don Mills.
Yeah.
So what are we doing? Ano lang, lakad-lakad.
Yeah. Window shopping.
Window shopping.
Yeah.
Actually guys, maganda yung ambience. I love it. Less people.
Less people. And very hot.
Oh, very hot. Nga lang. Pero it's nice. Enjoying the summer.
Yeah.
Minsan lang to. So we are here to stroll around the area.
Yeah. Okay, so we will show you later the stores
that we're going to.
Yeah.
And to have some
juice.
Drink.
Some
no
drink.
Alcohol.
Yeah, of course. Okay, okay, later.
Okay, see you later.
Italy. Yeah.
Hello guys, nag-drop by kami dito sa store nito. Grabe, sobrang init.
Yeah, so we bought. Ano to? Ano ba binili natin, sis?
Ano daw? Perrier. Tama ba?
Perrier? Perrier? Ano?
Perrier.
We don't know. Okay.
Becca naman, Perrier.
Okay. So where are we going next, sis?
It's grabe refreshing.
Oh yeah. Yummy. Sarap tayo. Hindi ko mabuksan. Wait, later na lang. Later. Okay, where are we going next, sis?
So
masagasaan tayo sa kakabag. Sis, teka lang.
Tayo ang may karapatan.
Okay.
So, saan tayo?
I don't know. Where are we going?
Hindi lang, mainit. So mag-look around pa tayo, sis.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Ano kaming mag-Demetrius.
Oh, yeah, there. Oh, yan. Puntahan natin yung ibang place.
So, puntahan natin. Ito yung...
So, ito yun. Ito yung mga stores dito. Sa... Ano nga to?
Shop at Don Mills.
Shop at Don Mills. See? So nice. It's like BGC.
Oo, parang may hawig din siya sa BGC.
Yeah.
So, entrance to sila na parang...
Huh?
Entrance sila.
May amoy ano?
Sarap din yung walang kasamang anak.
Tama, sis.
Mama! Tapos may music lang, sis, no? Sis ko mo na ipalabas, ha?
Hindi, okay na dito, sis. Makukuhanan ko na, sis.
Inaasa ko na yun sa'yo, magaling ka naman.
Sana nga, sis, ano, sana once a train, train.
Putin na yun. Ito sis, yeah. Tingnan mo, parang
say hi, Donya. Donya Chet. Donya. Oh, nicer. Nice.
Sis, maganda din.